Welcome to the mini video tutorial series of the WebIDQ. This video will cover the import plate runs feature. This feature is very useful if in case a kit was run but the corresponding plate run is missing in WebIDQ or a plate run was accidentally deleted. The plate run is created based on the MS data of the measured kit. To use this feature, select an existing submission or create a new one. I have already defined a project here, and within the project we define a new submission. Click on Save. Now click on Import Plate Runs and drop the MS data of the plate run, example, the WIP files or RAW files. Please navigate through the folder where the raw data files are saved and select all the folders and drop it to this window. Select the pipetting mode the way how the kit was pipetted in the laboratory. The default mode in the WebIDQ is defined as vertical. Once the files are selected, click on Import. Now the plate run is created in the WebIDQ. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you for tuning in. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel to receive more videos on WebIDQ. I would love to hear about your experiences or any questions you might have. Leave me a comment below. Keep experimenting and I'll see you next time for more WebIDQ wizardry.